there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat. Today, we're diving into the skies with two mini drones that promise big fun. On the left, we have the Heygelo S90 drone, and on the right, we have the RADCLO mini drone. It's a battle of the skies, folks. Who will come out on top? Let's find out. First up, let's talk cameras. Both of these little guys come equipped with 1080p HD cameras. The Heygelo S90 lets you connect via Wi-Fi to enjoy real-time live video, giving you a bird-eye view that'll make you feel like you're in a National Geographic documentary. Reviewers have praised its photo quality, despite some mixed feelings about the live stream quality. Meanwhile, the RADCLO mini drone offers a 90 degrees adjustable lens. So if you want a wider field of view, RADCLO's got your back. Reviewers noted that its camera quality is decent for the price. So who needs a wide view when you can crash into trees in HD, am I right? Next, let's talk about stability and control. The Heygelo S90 has altitude hold, one-key takeoff, landing, and even propeller guards for those of us who are, let's say, a bit clumsy. It's like having training wheels for your drone. Reviewers appreciated its ease of use and responsiveness. On the flip side, the RADCLO mini drone also boasts altitude hold and one-key takeoff, landing, but throws in a more powerful engine. So if you want your drone to hover like a ninja in the sky, RADCLO might just be your sensei. However, some reviewers found it challenging to control, especially in windy conditions. Now, let's dive into the fun stuff. The Heygelo S90 promises more than 10 professional stunts, including 360 degrees flips and high-speed rotations. Perfect for showing off at parties or, just impressing your cat. Reviewers enjoyed the variety of stunts and found it a fun way to practice. RADCLO, not to be outdone, offers high-speed rotation, circle fly, 3D flips, and even gesture control. So you can wave at your drone and make it do tricks. Because who doesn't want to feel like a wizard? Reviewers loved the gesture control feature and found it highly entertaining. Flight time is crucial. The Heygelo S90 gives you up to 26 minutes with its two modular batteries, and it's foldable, so you can take it on your next adventure. Reviewers praised its impressive battery life and portability. RADCLO, with its two 800 mAh batteries, offers 22 minutes of flight time. It also comes with a carrying case, which is great because you don't want your drone to feel homeless, right? Reviewers appreciated the extra battery and carrying case, but wished for a bit more flight time. Finally, let's talk money. Heygelo S90 comes in at $59, while RADCLO mini drone is a tad more expensive at $62. So for just a few extra dollars, RADCLO throws in a bit more stability and some extra accessories. But hey, $3 is like a cup of coffee these days. Choose wisely. Reviewers felt that both drones offer good value for their price, though some had concerns about the longevity and durability of the RADCLO mini drone. Overall, reviewers found the Heygelo S90 to be a great entry-level drone with impressive features and good value for its price. It is particularly appreciated for its ease of use and durability. On the other hand, the RADCLO mini drone is praised for its fun features and powerful performance, though some users found it challenging to control, especially in windy conditions. Both drones are seen as enjoyable and affordable options for beginners. So there you have it, folks. The Heygelo S90 and the RADCLO mini drone both pack a punch in their own ways. If you want a drone that's packed with stunts and portability, go for Heygelo. But if stability and extra accessories are your jam, RADCLO is your guy. Either way, you can't go wrong. Let us know in the comments which one you're picking up. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. And remember folks, if your drone crashes, it's not your fault, it's gravity's fault. See you next time. Product links are in the description.